scared to use video as a marketing tool, it's time to get over it. In this video, I'll pick apart some of the main reasons why people are terrified of using video to market their businesses. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you a few simple solutions that you can take action on immediately that's going to help you cure your fear of video marketing. What is up, YouTube? I am so happy to be back. If you're new here, I'm Cheri. I'm a social media strategist, and I help busy business owners make sense of social media and make more money while using social media. And I want you to know that my TikTok family inspired this entire video today. What I did was posted a TikTok video where I asked everybody, like, what is the main reason? Like, let's get down to the bottom of it. I want to know, why don't you like getting on camera? Why don't you want to show up for your brand or your business? Why does it scare you? Let y'all watch the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and post it. So I was going through my older videos because I always want to know the type of videos that y'all like the best, and I want to make more of them. And you should do that too. That's a good practice to fall into. But I quickly realized that y'all like a certain type of video. And when I was going through all my videos and checking the numbers, I realized that you like the videos where I give you faceless video ideas. Y'all love them the best. So my question to you is, why y'all don't want to get on camera? Like, let me know. I really want to know. Why don't you want to get on camera? Is it because you think people are going to judge you? Is it because you don't like the way you talk? You don't like the way you look? You don't have the proper equipment? You're not as articulate as you would like to be? I really want to know. So let me know in the comments. Posting the video to TikTok, I also took that same video and I put it on my Instagram stories because I know I get a lot of interaction over there, just like I do TikTok. I compiled a list. I put a list together of some of the feedback that I got. Just to be honest, I think this would be a good video for you to stick around to the end, because the things that I'm going to address, the questions that I'm going to answer, are questions that you might have too. Or if you don't have them, maybe your friend who's a business owner, maybe they might have them too. I want you to stick around to the end. I want you to take some good notes. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comment section, because I may make a part 2. You just never know. I want to make sure you understand how this video is going to work. The first part of this video, I'm going to answer all of the questions. Well, not all of them, a few of them. I'm going to answer a few of the questions that were put in the comment section of the TikTok video, and maybe 1 or 2 that I got from my Instagram stories. And after I answer those questions and give you my feedback to help you cure your fear of video marketing, the next part of this video is where I'll give you a few simple solutions that you can take action on today. And the question is, why are we not getting on video? So let's see what the people have to say. I just get nervous once I don't see followers and I feel like I'm talking to myself and I get off. So I'm guessing this is in reference to going live, which is still getting on video. So here's what I have to say to that. Even if you have 3 people on your live, you still serve them like it's 30 people, like it's 300 people. Because what happens is those people will start to come back, because they'll start to show interest in whatever it is that you're talking about. And you never know, they may invite a friend, or just because they're present on your live, you know, your live could be shown to more people just like them. So you never know how that'll work. In the beginning, yes, you will have 1 or 2 people on there, but that's fine. Me, for example, I go live in my Facebook groups every Wednesday. I go live, share social media marketing tips to help business owners. A lot of the times I only have 1 person. I only have 1 person there. It's actually my mama, or maybe I might have 1 other person who just joined the group and then they see the live notification pop up. I don't really get a lot of people there, but I still go live every Wednesday because it's hit or miss. So maybe the first 2 weeks there might be 3 or 4 or 5 people, but then the next 2 weeks or so, or whenever, I have 30 people on there. I think it's about 200 people in the group. So I don't give up, and you shouldn't either. I don't like to be in front of the camera. I know there's a large amount of people out there that do not like getting in front of the camera. The best thing that I can say for that is, it starts with the mindset. You have to understand and remember, at the end of the day, you are providing value and information to somebody, whether it's changing their life, it's changing their day, it's improving their finances, it's helping them lose weight, it's helping them grow on social media. At the end of the day, that is what you have to think about. If you are very passionate about what it is that you do and you really believe in your service or your product, then that should come across naturally. You know, it shouldn't be a problem with you sitting down, continuing to serve those people and changing those people's lives. Again, this is your business. And if you have a business, the way the world is going right now, you need to have some sort of personal brand attached to it. There needs to be some sort of human element, like I told y'all about in last week's video. So you have to show up on camera. If you don't want to show up on camera, consider using user-generated content. Go behind the scenes and create some sort of follow-up system, or you can ask for reviews, or you can ask people to drop hashtag whatever your brand name is if you use my product, and then use all of that content. But again, it's actual humans that people want to see and that people connect with. Just try to get past that fear. Try to let the fact that, again, you're helping someone, try to let that feeling override the fact that you're nervous and you don't like to be on camera. And to be honest, I really think we all have that feeling. We all have those insecurities, especially in the beginning, where we don't want to get on camera because we don't like the way that we look or we sound, and it just feels awkward. But you have to just get past that awkward stage. I promise, once you get past that awkward stage, then you just start talking to the camera like it's your friend, like you're having just a conversation, just me and the camera. This is a good one. I can't stop saying and people are mean for no reason. So first, let's address the second part. The people are mean for no reason. People are going to be mean. The people who spend time leaving rude comments under your posts, people are just not for you. They're probably not going to buy from you, or maybe, I don't know, that could just be their way of expressing how interested they are in whatever you have to offer. I don't know, maybe it is in their own weird way, but whatever it is, those are not your people. So don't worry about those people. So I don't want to spend too much time on that. People are just going to be people, and at the end of the day, when you're putting content out on social media, it's not for those people. So if you really just don't want to see it, of course you can delete the comment, or you can just let that be another thing that boosts your post in the algorithm, because that's, you know, pretty much what happens when people leave rude and hateful comments. That does boost your post in the algorithm, and it exposes it to more people. So you can think about it in two different ways, but yeah, we're not gonna address the people part of that anymore. As far as you saying now, I even have two layers to that part. Okay, the first thing is, it's okay to say like, we're all human. I know I say I remember when I first started my YouTube videos, I would always take out my I realized I was just wasting so much time removing we all say even the most articulate person, like the best speaker in the world, they say and to be honest with you, when you are making marketing videos, you want to say you want to do those type of things that make you relatable and that people can actually understand. Because whenever you get on here, and I struggle with this, whenever you get on video and you start using these big old words and big old terms that people have no idea what you're talking about, they're not going to relate to that. I'm not saying, you know, say all the time. You slowly work on not saying it, but by you saying it, it's not going to hurt. And I also have something else for you. There's a tool called Descript. I love this tool. I use it so much. I use it mainly to repurpose my content, but you can also use it as an editing tool too. And you can edit most of your files just like a Word document. It's so easy to use. All you do is import the video into Descript, and then it'll transcribe the audio for you, and you can literally just highlight all of your filler words, delete, and they'll, you know, all go away like at one time. So if you want to take that extra step, you can always use Descript, and I'll leave a link down below if you want to get started with Descript. Now, Curvy Vanilla, I'm sorry, let me correct myself. _Curvy Vanilla says, because I'm a quiet and shy person. Here's what I have to say for you introverts. Use social media as an outlet, okay? Maybe it does make you nervous to go in a crowd of people and, you know, socialize, but when it's just you and your camera, just use that as an outlet to be creative. Now, you don't always have to get on camera. You don't always have to do that. If that is like a pressing thing for you to do, that's not what we want, because we don't want you to feel pressure to create videos that to market your business. Because if you feel pressure, then you're not going to deliver at 100% capacity, and if you feel it, the people on the other end of the camera or the smart device, they're going to feel it too. So create content that you feel comfortable creating. One of the main types of videos right now that seem to be performing well on every social media platform are those videos where you just record yourself working. You don't have to talk. You don't even really have to show your face. Like, let's just say you type on a computer, or you're a writer, you write things. Like, just get a clip of you actually writing. Get a clip of you reading a book from behind if you don't want to be on camera. Put some sort of text on there that can relate to your audience. I've done this many times. If you've tried this yourself, let me know. Let me know if you've tried doing one of those videos where you just sit and you record yourself working, you add some music on it, or maybe you might add some sort of inspirational quote, and you just let it go, okay? I think a lot of us have done those videos, and those videos actually do well because they catch attention almost immediately, and they hold attention. Like, they hold it, which increases your watch time, and it's just good for everybody. So I'm pretty sure I got off topic with that question, but what I'm trying to say is, even if you're a shy person, you can still do it. You just have to do the things that work for you. Don't let anybody pressure you to do anything else that's outside of your comfort zone. But don't stay there forever, because we all know that the best things come when we step out of our comfort zone. So now it's time to take some notes. I really want you to grab a pen and a piece of paper, because what I'm about to tell you is really gonna help you cure your fear of video marketing, like today. The first thing I want you to do, and I talked about this earlier, but think about the value that you are bringing. I know you have all of these limiting beliefs going on in your mind, but think about the value. Think about how you're going to change someone's current situation with your product, with your service, and let that override all of those limiting beliefs. Wipe your lens. This is very simple. Very simple. A lot of us have very blurry videos because we just don't wipe our lens. So wipe your lens. Be yourself, because it's so easy to be yourself. It's free to be yourself, and once again, you want people to relate to you. So if you spend a lot of time creating content that is not genuine, it's not authentic, then people are going to relate to that person. And then once you finally get over the fakeness, they're not going to know who you are. Then they won't be able to relate to this new person. So it's so much easier to just be yourself. Remember, not everybody is going to like you. It's okay. You are not for everybody. Script your video. If you have a video script, I mean, unless you just know what you're gonna say right off the top and you actually follow the video formula, the video marketing formula, by all means, you don't need to script your video. But if you're just starting out, I would script your video so that you can make sure your video consists of every moving part. As for engagement, you'll be surprised by the amount of people that will actually engage with you if you ask for it. And if you are stuck and you don't know where to start on engagement ideas for social media, I want you to watch this video on your way out. This video is going to help you go ahead and get started, and it's going to give you even more information than the information that I gave you in this video. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up on the way out. Comment your questions down below, and I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye bye.